Ka Reserve Bank of India Shillong mentakasi ke Pratrik Ujileu kalayo ban penlong ke district level quiz of the All India quiz haka beide berka financial literacy arcara pulai nak bentai kena kelas 8 haduk kelas 10 haka balawan mensimenta duk pratali ke school sorkar kibana po ribuh district haka ne gajinya kop ya kena Lahduh layo ban ra ka Mawrong Rmsa secondary school ka Patar Khama higher secondary school kalayo ban ra ya kena Mpar bat ya kerdan ka balai layo ban ra ka Menken Rmsa school bat nakaliang gibor penyai kilasam daka song pisah harengkat berka trofi bat ke certificate ke school ke job ke school ke boyo ban khori kana job akan ka jinya kop akan district level kin yo lat ban mikmat naka district ban simbenta ke state level bat ke job akan state level kin yo ban le simbenta ke national level haga program jong G20.
We are very grateful to the education department, district authorities and the school authorities for supporting us in conducting this quiz. My love and blessings to all the students who has come here from far-flung areas, because without you, this quiz would have never been possible. So thank you so much. Reserve Bank of India has been conducting our camps because our focus is financial literacy. And we want to ensure that every citizen of the country should be financially literate. We all know that a country which is financially literate, it is the key to economic development. Now, we have been conducting camps for various target groups, and students is one of the most important part in that target group because you are the future of our country. We have been conducting camps through various modes like Nukkad Natak, radio jingles, advertisement to spread financial literacy, and today's quiz is again one of our such effort to spread financial literacy. The winners of today's quiz gets cash prize, trophy and certificate, and they will be participating in a state level quiz where they will be competing with other students of different districts.
Option 4.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer. The right answer is debate option. Option number?
Option 4.
Very good. Overdraft.
Option 3.
Option 3. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The right answer is option 1.